Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today, we will explore the field study method in psychology, a powerful research approach that allows psychologists to investigate behavior in its natural environment. This method is essential for understanding how people behave in real world settings, free from the artificial constraints of a laboratory. Let's dive into its definition, history, methodology, strengths, limitations, and applications with illustrative examples. Definition and history. The field study method involves observing and collecting data on behavior as it occurs naturally in the field rather than in a controlled laboratory setting. This approach can include both observational studies and field experiments. Field studies aim to capture the complexity and authenticity of behavior in real world contexts. The field study method has its roots in early ethnographic research conducted by anthropologists such as Bronislaw Malinowski, who studied the Trobriand islanders in the early 20th century. In psychology, it gained prominence through the work of social psychologists like Kurt Lewin, who emphasized the importance of studying behavior in context. Methodology 1. Planning the study. Selecting the research question, identify a clear and focused research question that can be addressed through field study. Example, investigating how social interactions differ between urban and rural settings. 2. Choosing the site. Selecting the field site, choose a location that is relevant to the research question. Example, studying children's play behavior in different types of playgrounds. 3. Gaining access. Ethical considerations, obtain necessary permissions and ensure ethical standards are met. Example, gaining access to a school to observe classroom interactions. 4. Data collection. Observation. Use systematic observation techniques to collect data on behavior. Participant observation. The researcher may participate in the setting while observing. Example, observing group dynamics in a corporate office setting. 5. Recording data. Field notes. Take detailed notes on observations, including context and nonverbal behaviors. Video audio recording. Use recording devices when appropriate and permitted. Example, recording conversations in a natural setting to study communication patterns. 6. Analyzing data. Qualitative analysis. Identify themes, patterns, and insights from the collected data. Quantitative analysis. Use statistical methods to analyze numerical data collected in the field. Example, analyzing the frequency and context of helping behaviors in public places. Strengths of the field study method. 1. Ecological validity. Provides data on behavior in natural settings, enhancing the ecological validity of findings. Example, studying consumer behavior in a real shopping mall instead of a simulated environment. 2. Contextual understanding. Captures the influence of environmental and social contexts on behavior. Example, understanding how cultural norms influence family interactions in different communities. 3. Rich, detailed data. Collects rich, detailed data that can provide deeper insights into complex behaviors. Example, detailed observations of children's interactions on a playground. 4. Flexibility. Allows researchers to adapt to the field setting and explore new directions as they emerge. Example, adjusting the focus of a study based on unexpected findings during observations. Limitations of the field study method. 1. Lack of control. The natural setting can introduce variables that are difficult to control, potentially confounding results. Example, weather changes affecting outdoor observations. 2. Observer bias. The researcher's presence and subjective interpretations can influence the data collected. Example, a researcher's expectations affecting their observations of social interactions. 3. Ethical challenges. Ensuring informed consent and maintaining confidentiality can be more challenging in field settings. Example: observing behavior in a public place where consent cannot be easily obtained from all individuals. 4. Time consuming. Conducting field studies can be time consuming and require significant resources. Example: longitudinal field studies that track behavior over extended periods. Applications of the field study method. 1. Social psychology. Studying group behavior, social norms, and interactions in natural settings. Example: observing how people conform to social norms in different cultural contexts. 2. Educational psychology. Investigating teaching methods, student behavior, and classroom dynamics in schools. Example: studying the effects of different teaching styles on student engagement. 3. Environmental psychology. Exploring how physical environments influence behavior and well-being. Example: observing the impact of urban green spaces on community interactions. 4. Organizational psychology. Examining workplace behavior, leadership styles, and team dynamics in real-world settings. Example: studying employee interactions and productivity in an open-plan office. Illustrative field study examples. Example 1. The Hawthorne Studies. Researcher: Elton Mayo. Setting: Western Electric's Hawthorne Works. Findings: revealed the impact of social factors and worker attitudes on productivity. Example 2. Festinger's Cognitive Dissonance Study. Researcher: Leon Festinger. Setting: a doomsday cult. Findings: observed how members rationalized their beliefs when the predicted apocalypse did not occur. Example 3. Good Samaritan Study. Researchers: John Darley and C. Daniel Batson. Setting: Princeton Theological Seminary. Findings: studied how situational factors influenced helping behavior. Conclusion: the field study method is a vital tool in psychology for understanding behavior in its natural context. Despite its challenges, it offers rich, detailed data and valuable insights that cannot be obtained in a laboratory setting. By embracing the complexity of real-world environments, field studies contribute significantly to our knowledge of human behavior. Thank you for your attention. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.